Logic Pro producer kits are very powerful tools and they're lots of fun to use. You can customize the performance any way you want, just by moving few things around, and the changes happen right there on the fly. The problem is there's no obvious way to run a multi-track of this, even with auto bounce. And the reason is simple. There is no material on the various tracks. It's all combined in this proprietary floating kind of region. But fortunately, there is a way to run a multi-track of this kit with auto bounce and to do it really quickly. This is what you do. First, right-click on the region and choose Convert to MIDI region. Then, right-click on the region again and say Separate by Note Pitch. Now you will have that same performance split out in multi-track. In auto bounce, all you have to do is choose the tracks you want to run as stems and press bounce. And wait for auto bounce to do its magic. And now you have your stems. That's all there is to it.